Guys, for today's video, we will make a cappuccino. Come over here, my dear. I will let someone watching how to do it, a cappuccino.
Show to them.
Yeah. Put it there in the group lid. Okay, then take a glass and put it there. Just 2 shots of cappuccino, you know? It's just lang. Charot! Okay, then after that,
This is
this is
espresso.
Espresso de amor. Okay, next, we will measure the milk by itself. There's no standard procedure at all. Just as you like. Just put it full, half. I don't care.
We have so many milk.
I'm your
Okay.
student, so teach me how to do it.
This is the cappuccino espresso. Now we will
Steam the milk.
on the next.
DJ Lilian, teach them how to make
We'll make a
To steam the milk.
cappuccino with love, with anything else, even though I'm not in love, but still I do it with love. Kala ko ilalapis mo sa mukha. What about you, Dua Lipa? Fire. We don't have fire on the television. What
We
kind
have
of-
only lighter. Lighter.
what,
We don't have fire here.
what kind of fire do you want?
I give you
Yeah.
fire. This
Oh, she need lighter, not a fire.
Lighter. This is not fire. 19. Lighter. Don't do it. If I do it to you, you're
Angry.
angry. Pwede mo siyang i-proceed. We have fire over there.
Now she will make art for cappuccino.
fire.
Wow, she's in love. She make heart.
That's the heart I made with love.
Face of in love. Tcharan!
May awas in the face.
Serve with love.
Not red. You don't like red.
Bigay na po ni Dua Lipa. Mag-hi ka muna, sis. Ay.
Vlog.
Charis Pimpengko. Yung biak na puso.